heart. It's so hard, it hurts so bad when hearts are parted. Oh heaven knows, oh heaven knows, I tried to guard it. I tried harder each day, I sacrificed, but it won't pay. Ladies, 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 ladies.
Hey, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna talk about the cheap fix of the crankhub of the N55. The major problem, it's bad construction. It was well, great things to do, and some things I have at home. Super glue, a small drill. I ordered ball bearings, 1.5 mils, small ones. I'm gonna show you. Here are the car, and here are the crank hub. As usual, it's the bad construction. But to save some money, all you're gonna need is a tweezer, drill. I think this is 1.5 or 1. I think it's 1.9 mils. And I got the ball bearings. See, it's small as hell, 1.5 mil around. So the tweezer is a major upside for this. I made this of aluminium. That's the only thing that they have the clearance. So you get the same drill hole at every part. That's the only thing I was made for me. And the ball bearings, as you can see, super glued to the drilled holes. As you can see, here I got these small holes are enough to hold the pressure that it won't spin. And to drill it, it's just not much. To make a gap to the ball bearing. as you can see, they're there. Same to this. It's easy to drill. Let's see, I got this. Like that. No, sorry. And turn it around. As you can see, drill holes. And it sits like that. Just tap a drill, not much at all. So you got mark holes. It's very soft to drill in. So, very easy. And of course I got the crank out. But as you can see, I drilled some holes here too. And this will fit over like that. And just tap the drill holes with a small, here they are. Just a drill, just tap it. It's not much that needed. Let's see. Like that much. That's all I needed. Not much at all. And that's the only thing that you got to do. Not much at all. It fits like a glove. And to the crank hub. And there I got the hooks. As you can see, I can't twist it. It's not happening. Can't twist it at all. That's all the thing. That's the only thing you have to do.